Alright, so welcome back to another sound test, and we now have the KBEAR KS2, and I did like it in my unboxing. I did like the overall listen, even if it's just an initial listen. It's around $25, so we're gonna compare it to one of the more popular $30 range IEM, which is the Blon 03. So which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. And also we have new songs for today. It's actually from my EP. So let's start the sound test now.
To make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.